Hello everyone. Today it's Saturday morning at let's see what's that? 8:10 a.m. and I'm here by myself to make omelet. So the first thing you need is eggs. You also need bread. Butter. Let's see. Yeah, can you open this? But we have no water. We also need milk. Salt. Olive oil. And let's see. Can you check in the dishwasher? Let's see, is it here? I think it is. Okay, and a frying pan. For and we need a bowl. What kind of bowl should we use? Let's see here. A big one. This one. This one, okay. We have this small gray bowl, and then now we and we also have to we turn it on and high. Zone 2, Zone 3. Okay, now we set the eggs. 2, 3. 3. Wait. And that's now, wait, I have to wash my hands. Now we have to mix it up. Huh? Huh? No, it's okay. It's okay. We have to mix it up now with that whisk, the big giant whisk. You take the whisk and you mix it up. Okay, salt. 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 So. Okay, I need to wash my hands now again. And now I mix it up. Now we need milk. A little. Can you help me with this? That's it? Okay. Hey, no, not you. Okay, we put everything away. Don't do the olive oil. Except we put this away. Wait. Salt. And now we put some olive oil. I'll turn on the heater. And then down. Conditioner to the stove. And then we pour it in. Do I change it? Good. Like this. Okay, now we pour it in. Yeah, I'll hold it. No, I hold it. Now we pour it in. Wait, I hold it and I don't film it. Now we take out.
Паузу, меня не надо снимать. Паузу делай.
We're checking the bottom, which is very good. Okay, then we take a plate. Take a plate, we put it over and flip it. And that is our, now we have to cook it again. Let's try to turn it on. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Turn this off. Oh, we turn it on. Turn it off. What? Isn't that omelet good? Huh? And this is our omelet. It's ready. Thanks for watching us. Wait, what is it? No. Thanks for watching us do our omelet. Bye.